Original, authentic, isole pagka hindi po original. Okay? Madam Ann, ang ganda nito. Super nice. Ayan, ang ganda. For this one, Bebe Lavo, get nyo na to. Super nice. Smacking yung likod. Pwedeng pang errands. Pwede din po siyang pang beach. For this one, code natin, sobrang ganda, girl. Green ang code, medium large. Med to large. Green 4, 450, silang 550 good person. Code is green. Ang ganda ng green nito. Sobrang ganda nito. Ang sexy niyan pag nakasuot, adjustable ang straps. Ayan, my love. Marami rin tayo may sleeves para hindi kayo masyadong nakalitaw yung balikat. Ayan, marami rin may bet ng sleeves. Medium large po ulit. Med to large for this one. Hello sa ating 88,000 viewers. Ayan, send kayo ng name, address, contact number before mag-mine, ha? Okay, for this one, Pinky. Pinky for 350 pesos. New look ang brand. Original, new look, authentic, new look. For this one, code natin is medium. Size is med to large. Ay, sorry, large XL pala to. Large XL. Code natin is pink. 350 pesos. Large XL. Ang ganda nito.
Yours na po si Green, Madam Anna Bion.
Light blue pang small and med. Pwede pang wedding. Ay, ano? Pwede pang attend ng wedding po. Light blue daw. Light blue.
Okay po.
Small, medium. Go, my love. Ito, brand new with tag. Super nice. Ito, branded by Vogue. Ano ba to? Hirap ano? Violet. Branded by Violet Romance. Size natin is small, medium. Medium, saktong-sakto. Ayan, napakaganda, my love. Grabe to. Overlap po ang style niyan, bebe love. Pwede to sa padede, ma'am. Overlap. So, pwedeng naka-open, pwedeng medyo close. Okay, for this one, code natin is Violet. Size natin for this one is medium to large. Sobrang ganda ng quality. Chiffon and tela. Code is Violet. Nasa 5K to original price yata or nasa 4.2. Ganyan. 4,200 mga ganyan original price. Pero sa akin, 420 pesos. 450, sorry po. 420. Wala pala akong 450. 450 pesos code natin ay over. Over 450, over 450. Ay, ang ganda. Ito, upon checking, nasa 7K original price niya. 7,000 original price, Bardo ang brand. Original, authentic, isampal mo sa akin pag hindi original. Isampal sa akin pag hindi authentic.
Yours na po si
Bardo!
Violet, Madam
Just
Diana Tal.
For this one, code natin is branded. My love, nasa 6,000 to 7,000. Original price neto. Small, medium ang sizing. Small, med ang sizing. Madam Ann, kunin mo to para meron kang plakado. Sobrang ganda pag nakasuot. Pag ganyan yung likod niya, very Marian Rivera. For this one, code natin is branded. Size natin for this one is small, medium. Small, med. Wait lang, i-sure ko lang ha. Parang, oo. Oo, small, medium. Medium po, saktong-sakto. For this one, code natin is branded. Branded for 599 silang 699 good for sale. Akalain mo. 6 to 7K pero sa akin 599 lang. Bagong-bago, love. Original, authentic. Pwede mong isole pag hindi original. Sure, my love. Libre shipping pabalik. Diyos ko, ang liit ha. Medium size yun. Go. Mine pink na large avail pa. Yes, Madam Meg. Yours na po si Pink. Yours na si Pink, Madam Meg. Okay, next. Mine, Pretty. Yours na po si Pretty, Madam Jane Pakurib. Sino si Pretty dyan?
Hi, Madam Jane.
Ayan. Oh, Pretty, yours na Madam Jane. Location is Malolos, Bulacan. Okay, here you go. Love, alam nyo ba kung magkano to sa Thailand? Puhunan pa lang 1,200. Puhunan pa lang yan ha, 1,200. Pero my love, ang brand nito, Who I Am. This one is Australian brand costing 2,500 plus 2,000 to 2,900. Original price. For this one, code expensive. But sa akin, 550 pesos, bagong-bago. For this one, code natin is Swiss. Swiss fabric. Size natin for this one is medium large. Oh my God, swerte mga med to large. Code natin is Swiss. Ay, expensive ba? Sabi ko.
Yes.
Sabi ko ba expensive? Sorry, expensive for 550. Sila 650 good per sale. Code natin is expensive. Expensive ang code. Sobrang ganda nito, my love. Branded by Who I Am. Nandito pa yung ano Ayan, bebe love, hashtag nandito. Ayan, love, may hashtag siya. So, original lahat yan. Kailan po kayo marireceive pag today mine? Ang honor result po.
Mahal po ang shipping, madam. Pero kung rush shipping po kayo,
Pwede ka namang mag-rush shipping kung